you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. I'm out in the yard today, you guys. It's good to see you all. All right, you guys, so look what I'm harvesting today. Can y'all guys see that? Y'all see that? Well, she is loaded with persimmons, and I got two trees, and this is the one that is loaded with persimmons, and this is the one that has been through so much, and what I'm going to have to do with her is prune her all the way back come dormant season. She's going to get a good pruning because her uh, limbs started to cross each other, and we do not want that. But she hung in there throughout the producing of the fruit, and I am about to get it. The other day when I came out to harvest, I still had tomatoes out here. I gave them a taste. So she is loaded, you guys. And then my other tree, and I did forget which persimmon this is. And my other tree, she has fruit as well. This is a nice size one. And I forgot what she is as well too. So I have to figure out which persimmons I have, and I might have to go back into my archives to see which ones they are. I know I had Fuyu, Hachin, something like that, and I think I had three, and only two have bared fruits, and I still have another one that is struggling down there. And hopefully by next year, she's still a baby, hopefully by next year she'll begin to bear fruit. But this one is loaded this season, so next year I can't wait to see what she do next year, y'all. And the one that's down there, being that she only have a few, she has some big ones. So I said, let me hurry up and get out here and get these things before they drop down. Because last year I had a good season too. I think I did a short video on the ones that I got last year. It wasn't a lot, but I got some. This one looked like I'm going to have a whole bowl full. And some of the insects did get to some, but most of them they didn't. So I'm super happy about that. So when I was harvesting tomatoes that I still had left, I was out here eating them. And when I tell y'all, these things are so good, I can't wait to make some persimmon preserves. All right, then I'm gonna get behind her because she still has a lot behind. So right now I'm just sitting on my little chair harvesting what's in front of me right now, and then I'll go behind and get the rest of them. I'll probably have to back you guys up. Hey, you guys, thumbs up if you could hear me clear. I think I have my microphone on, so y'all thumbs up if you can hear me. Yeah, she's gonna get a good pruning, and she really toughed it out this year. She went all kind of ways, and we did everything in our power to keep her upright, but she was like, no, y'all gonna have to do better next season for me if y'all want me to produce and give y'all what I birth. Yeah. Alright, you guys, let me back you guys up some. I'll leave y'all there. I'll come back around. Yeah, you guys, she did so good. I'm so proud of her. think I got most of them off, you guys. The ones that I left on, some of the nature got to them, but the ones that nature didn't get to, going in the bowl. So we're gonna move down so y'all can see the difference in the one that bears some fruit but not a lot. Yeah, I think that's, hold on, I see one more. Okay, you guys, check out this one over here. Look what she did. All right, I think you guys can see me. Yeah, y'all can see me. Okay. So y'all see the size of those compared to the other ones? And something got to this one, so let me get my bowl. I got some in my pocket, y'all. And she was a pretty one too, but something done got to her, so she's gonna stay there. Yeah, these are some nice sized ones here. So let's get back over here, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry for all the moving. I ain't been out here with my equipment in a minute, so it's taking me some time to get used to everything again. So, okay, that one could stay. But let me show y'all. Let me back y'all up a little bit. All right, you guys, so y'all see the difference in the one that didn't produce a lot compared to the tree that did produce a lot. So we got some nice big ones right here. Y'all see the difference? So next year she should birth out a lot, and this one should be right behind this one. And then I believe my other one, but I forgot the name of it, I believe my other one is down there too, but she's still a baby, and I really need to make sure next season when I get out, make sure I fertilize all the fruit trees, make sure I give them some compost and get them off to a good start. I'm proud of myself this year though, because I did do all the trees as far as fertilizing and putting some compost down for them. And my citrus trees did very well adjusting to the soil, and they are still thriving. My Kalamandan, Awari Satsuma, and then my what is Awari Satsuma, Nagami Kumquat. So those two did adjust very well to the soil, and they did thrive throughout the summer. And I'm going to give you guys a tour of that so you can see how much they did adjust to the soil. So hopefully next year they'll start birthing out some fruit, because they done got kind of acclimated to the soil. And hopefully we'll be seeing some fruit from them next year. But right now the trees that are giving fruit are the persimmons, the fig. Even though the squirrels got to my fig, the fig tree is doing really well, but they did get to them. And hopefully next year the cherry tree will be bursting out them cherries again, and some pears and some peaches, right? So this is what my persimmon harvest is looking like. Very nice, right, you guys? It's a wonderful feeling when you start seeing the fruits of your labor, right? All right, you guys, so this is SEK the homesteader. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and you guys continue to be safe out there, and continue to prep, and stay safe, okay, you guys? And make sure you are uplifting the people that have suffered. I know Asheville is suffering over there. We were without power for 7 days, close to 8, and we're now getting back. We had our solar and our generator, so we were able to, make do. But there are people out there that are really suffering, and they're still finding bodies, and still finding people that's out in the woods, up in the mountains, that had to escape through the woods. So make sure you guys are uplifting them, okay? So this is SEK the homesteader. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.